Hello everybody. Just a quick one again. I'm getting ready to pull my first branch here. And because I'm doing a branch, I don't think this red wrap here, because I'm going to be pulling the wires out to the side and it's going to put a lot of stress. So I got a really thick wrap of the black nylon wrench type wrap on there. And I got this one torqued absolutely as tight as I can get it. And I'm going to be including some wires on this one. Say I got my branch coming out here. On these multi-strand trees, I'm going to be pulling a really thick branch out of here, and I don't want the trunk to decrease in size as much as it's going to, because I'm going to pull so many wires out of there. And another thing is that with these larger strand count trees, I'm pulling that branch out of there. I don't want that branch to be able to slowly but surely pull out of the trunk. So I'm actually going to have some wires that run like this and then back up the trunk again. And that's going to really make a strong branch to trunk attachment right there. And I learned that lesson the hard way. The first really large strand count tree I made, I got to keep that one. It's not strong enough to sell. But so basically I got to remove all the plastic going all the way up, because I'm going to be pulling once again some wires out of the very inside of the trunk, and I'm going to blow it all up. So we'll see how this goes. These first branches, as you use strands up in the branches and you're going up taller, it gets easier because you got less strands. So this first branch split here, I'll probably spend anywhere between 2 to 4 hours doing the branch split, because it's important I nail this first one really well. Let me think, is there anything else I should tell you? Well, you'll notice my foot here is starting to pull up out of the jig a little bit. Some of you might be thinking, well, why don't you just wrap that plastic around there like you did with the smaller tree to kind of hold it into the jig? And I had tried that once, but I put every ounce of effort that I got into twisting the trunk tight on these, and the amount of plastic I would have to put on there to keep this from pulling up. When I did it the first time, and I did, put the plastic around there like on that first set of videos to hold it down into the jig, it really didn't work. And I suppose, if I really wanted to, maybe somebody else wants to try it, I just try and work with it pulling up a little bit now. You could actually wrap wire around here and go around the screws or something, but with as much force as you need to put on these trunks to get them tight, I don't even know if that would work. Who knows, maybe I'll try it someday. But for this one, it's like eventually once you get tall enough up and the trunk starts getting a little thinner, this doesn't happen as much, and you can actually hold on to the bottom and twist up here because you got something to hold on to now. So I'm just going to let it be like that, and hope it doesn't. And if you really want to, you can take it and you can kind of work it back into the jig. Let's see how far I can get here. And if you keep, well, maybe I got a little bit, but like I said, on these big trees right now at this point, I'm just trying to work with it the way it's going. Never know, maybe that'll change in the future. You'd think after 27 years I'd have this completely figured out, right? Well, I don't know. All right, talk to you soon.